Hi, greetings from MyTechtra. I'm Venkat. I'm a founder and CEO of MyTechtra. To talk about MyTechtra, we are a global learning solution company. We started MyTechtra in the year of 2012, primarily to focus on IT training. In fact, to offer highly practical-oriented IT training. We come from IT background. I worked in IT for more than 10 years, predominantly on ERP technologies. So we know what exactly the market the candidate is looking for when they look for a training. In fact, today in IT, everyone need to upskill themselves. So that's an opportunity we thought. To get into the training business. To talk about different kind of services we offer in MyTechtra, we started as a classroom training company in 2012. In Bangalore. We have been doing classroom training since 2012, and we do live virtual training globally. In fact, we have customers from more than 21 countries at this moment, majorly from US, Canada, and some of the European countries. And we have customers from Australia, New Zealand, and some of the Middle East countries. In fact, we get customers from different countries who come and take a training at MyTechtra Bangalore. And we started corporate training as well at the same time in 2012. Today we got more than 50 customers on corporate training. We do almost every courses, when you talk about a corporate training, from IT courses to business courses like financial accounting, HR, human resource, and we do health and environment. We do soft skill development. We do have new divisions called university programs. We tie with colleges to offer the most training courses today. In fact, we are upskilling the most of the faculties, the lecturers, the professors in a college, and we are giving new technologies to the students in college. To talk about the different kind of courses we offer. In fact, we started with Python training in 2012. Today we offer more than 170 courses we have listed in our website. Of course, we have created a very strong competency on certain courses. In fact, close to 10 to 15 courses. Python is one of our key courses. We are one of the first training company, I can say, introduced in Python in 2012. Early there was an opportunity for Python in 2012. There was no opportunity, in fact, in 2012. We come from an IT background. We predicted that Python will be a big hit because we know most of the large platforms like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud. It's all coming on Python. We predicted that this will be a technology to bet on. And today we are one of the market leader on Python training. We have more than 21 courses in Python. Courses like Python, Python Django, Python for Selenium, Python with APM, Python for machine learning, Python for artificial intelligence, Python for Python for DevOps, so and so. And we introduced later on the cloud computing technology. Today we are one of the market leader in cloud computing technology, specifically Amazon Web Services. We have been doing AWS since 2013, and we take more than 100 enrollment per month only on AWS. Then we introduce artificial intelligence, machine learning. We introduce courses like Big Data, Spark, Data Scientist, IoT, Internet of Things. And we are the first institute to introduce virtual reality and augmented reality in India. We have been doing since last 8 months on these courses. In fact, we introduced blockchain an year back. We are another market leader on blockchain training in Bangalore today. These are all our key competency, the key courses what we are offering. In fact, we have more than 170 courses. Our model is simple. We would like to take anything in IT. Even you come up with the XYZ course, we try to deliver that using experienced faculties, experienced professionals. To talk about how do we deliver online training, we deliver online training globally. It's highly practical oriented training, in fact highly interactive. So when I say interactive, we don't take more than 7 to 10 people in a batch. We allow minimum number of people in a batch so that it will be everyone get a chance to talk to the trainer. And we use tools like Webinar Jam, GoToMeeting to conduct the online training. The best part of online training is you don't the candidate need not to take a notes. So by end of the every sessions we give a recorded version of the videos, so they can use it for their lifetime. The key questions every candidate they ask us about the trainer. So one thing we never compromise is the quality of the trainer. In fact, we have a stringent process in terms of hiring a trainer, part-time trainer. We use always working professional who are actually working in the industry currently on the same technology, who come and take a part-time classes. We look at both hands-on experience plus presentation skill, then only we associate with them as a trainer. It's not every trainer who says, I want to take training with MyTectra succeeds in associating with us, because we ensure that we use only the quality trainers. And we treat our trainers as a partner in our ecosystems. So when I have a right trainer, when I deliver a right knowledge to my candidates, this is what we look at. This is what my candidate expects. So we use always a quality trainer that is guaranteed to the candidates who are taking a training with us. To talk about customer support, MyTectra, we are known for a customer support. We have an excellent support team, offers support for 24/7. All you need to do is raise a support ticket by sending an email to support@mytectra. Instantly you'll get a ticket number. The first response you get within half an hour. And we try to close any issues or any support request within 24 hours. There are certain requests within 48 hours. And to talk about the kind of different service, assistance we offer to our candidates, we are a customer-centric organization. We are for customers. Of course, we are highly flexible for most of the customer requests. We deliver highly practical-oriented training. If somebody wants a resume preparation help, we do a resume preparation help. If somebody wants a mock-up interview, we do mock-up interview absolutely free of cost with a different trainer. Your trainer, we may not use the same trainer who has taken the batch to conduct a mock-up interview. We use a different trainer. In fact, it's a complete assessment. End of the mock-up interview, the candidate gets a complete assessment, and they'll know where they stand. And we do assistance on placement in a various way for both fresher as well as experience. We do get calls asking for a trained candidate from a different company. We pass on to our candidate. We have our own job portal, placement.mytectra.com. It's only for MyTectra candidate. They can, any candidate can register, in placement.mytectra using the registered email ID. And we have a placement team who keeps on onboarding new companies every day to access our placement portal. And we do assist for experienced candidate. MyTectra has internal staffing divisions. We do permanent staffing, and we do have our own software company. Sometimes we hire people directly. From MyTectra. We are creating a strong contract staffing practice. There are chances that if you clear the customer interview, we onboard into our payroll. And not only this, we are flexible, highly flexible for a customer request. Even we have some candidates, who ask for retaking few classes which they did not feel comfortable. Even after completing the courses, we retake those classes or retake those portion of courses. And even we give a doubt clarification section even after course sign off. So these are all, the key assistance any candidate gets with MyTectra. If you are an individual, looking for a new technology training, or if you're a working professional, you want to upskill yourself to a new technology, or upskill yourself to a relevant technologist, or if you are a corporates looking for upskilling your employees, or if you're a college or a university want to upskill your staff, and or you want to train new technology to your students, we are here to help you. You can reach us on the below contact details.